All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a video using your Mubview security camera. And we got to go into our app on our iPhone. We're going to go right here. We're going to click it. It's going to bring us to this one page here. We've got to go to bedroom because that's the name of this specific one here is the bedroom. So I'm going to go to bedroom. It's going to bring me to this page and you're going to see a little play button. You need to press that play button. And it's going to open up the page where you can do videos and screenshots and other stuff. So all we have to do is just tap this and it will start recording. Watch. I'm going to tap it. It turns like a deep blue. And then over here, if I wave, you can see it's recording, right? Now, if I'm done recording, you can see it says record right there. You see it on the right-hand corner. If I'm done with that, all I got to do is tap it. Bam. And it goes gray again, and that recording's been done. Now, if I get out of there and I come over here and I click on my photo app, the last thing should be that recording. And there it is. Look. Let me turn it up.
It says record right there. You see it on the right-hand corner. If I'm done with that, all I got to do is...
That's it. Bam. Let me do it one more time so you can see it.
If I wave, you can see it's recording, right? Now, if I'm done recording, you can see it says record.
So that's my little video that I recorded from the camera. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on this camera and other stuff like it. Peace out.